Hi there! To get a better understanding of the work that we do at Amsterdam Data Collective and the value that we can deliver with data, I'm going to tell you about a case we did for Nereus. Nereus is a student rowing association in Amsterdam who regularly achieve fantastic performance, deliver world champion athletes and Olympic rowers. Inspired by examples from other sports such as baseball and cycling, Nereus was convinced that data can help them advance their rower performance. But where do you start? Well, this is a typical Amsterdam Data Collective project, where it starts with a clear objective. The client knows what they want. It's just not very clear how. So the first thing that we need to do is devise a strategy. How are we going to achieve the objective that the client knows they want to achieve? And in this case, we started with a design sprint, which is a very condensed strategy creation process, where just after a few days or even half a day workshop, we already know what we want to do. And in this case, it was clear very quickly that the biggest opportunity that Nereus has is to use their training and health data to make predictions about the optimal training schedule for each of the rowers. So once we had that realization, we got to work. And the first thing we did was develop a database with data that was added from apps that they were already using, such as Strava and Polar. And then we created an application where the rowers can enter their actual personal data on a daily basis, such as how do you feel? What is your resting heart rate today? And with that, we created a rower view and a dashboard where they can see their information over time. And then we got to work in two stages. Stage one is that we created an interactive dashboard where we show descriptive statistics. So what have we actually seen over time? And stage two is that we then use that historical information to make a prediction about the future. So we develop a diagnostic tool that then helps the coaches create a personalized training schedule that the rowers can use to optimize their performance. So why did I tell you about this project? Well, I did because this is a typical Amsterdam Data Collective project and a great example of end-to-end data science, where the client has an objective but doesn't really know how to get there. And we then help them first with creating a strategy. We then develop a software application to capture the data that we need. And then the final step is to create a predictive algorithm that helps the client make the best decision every time.